How to apply a promo code on 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your registered details. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up before you can apply any promo code. Next, go to the menu section and tap on Order. From there, scroll down and look for the promo section. This is where you can enter your code to activate the promotion under promo code check. Once you find the promo code field, tap on it and carefully type your promo code exactly as it was given to you. Double check for any spelling or character errors to make sure the code works properly. After entering the code, tap on the check button. If the code is valid, you will see a success message or the related bonus will be added to your account instantly. In some cases, the promo code might be tied to a specific event, game, or type of bet. So make sure you have read the terms and conditions of that promo before using it. Also remember that promo codes usually have an expiry date, so try to use them as soon as possible. And that's it. Now you know how to apply a promo code on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.